baby bird. Look at you. Hi, Tweety. Look at how close he comes in my yard. Hi, because he knows I give him bird seed and I give him treats. And feed the squirrels and the little birds. Hi, baby. That's one of the birds that had the nest, that made the nest inside of the... Oh, where is it? Right there. Inside of the bird feeder, they made a nest inside there. These little birds, there's like 5 of them that work on it together. And that's
got a good color to that bird feeder on there.
I know. Hi, baby. I love you. Earth Mama loves you. Yes, I do. We're going to make it safe here for all God's creatures so you can be healthy and happy and safe and not hurt anymore and be loved and have protection and safety and respect and dignity to respect God's creation. I love you, little guy. Aw. See how close? It's not even afraid of me or nothing. The squirrels and the birds come all day long here in this beautiful yard. Wait.
Oh, that one place that lady talks to you.
Hang on. See, look at the beautiful yard. Flowers. Look at that. And there's my aloe vera plants over there, and my other, I just call that one Clyde. Earth Mama magic. Look at the little birdie still there.
Sure is.
I love you. Say, what do you think of Earth Mama, Bill?
She's cool.
No, seriously.
She's far out.
No, but see, you're on recording. Be serious. Since you met me, since I came back into your life, what do you think?
She's far out and cool.
Oh, okay. I guess that's good.
Well, that's, look at me. What else do you want me to say?
I know I sound like I'm fishing for compliments.
I know, God.
Oh,
yeah, I'm sorry.
Say I'm a
I didn't know you were
good
going that route. I thought we were talking about the animal thing.
Oh, look. Oh, my gosh. Look at those necklaces. The peace sign and the yin and the
I
yang.
was just thinking about the hippie thing.
And then, look at
overall,
my grandma. She got me a whole bunch of different rocks. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. I got a whole bunch of them I have to brush up. There's all different kinds in here. Let me see. Where's some? Oh my God. Well, anyhow, okay. There's just one in particular I wanted to put in. Where is it?
Bill come to our office and said you were... What?